Are you thirsty, lacking energy, having a headache, or dozing off because of snoring? Do you know what's going on with your snoring and breathing? Introducing an intelligent pillow with the functions of anti-snoring, breathing monitoring, and sleep aid. The Snail Intelligent Pillow has an intelligent anti-snoring mode that uses a neural network AI chip to accurately identify the position of your head in the built-in 6 sets of airbags with high-precision sensors. After snoring recognition and detection, the airbags rise and fall to move your head and change the shape of the soft tissue around the airway, making the airway unobstructed and achieving anti-snoring. In addition to intelligent anti-snoring, the Snail Intelligent Pillow can also instantly detect your breathing status during sleep. The high-precision pressure sensor built into the airbags can instantly record exhalation, inhalation, and pause time. The app will generate a report based on the recorded data. The report contains comparative data before and after the intervention, allowing users to understand the effects of use instantly. The app and pillow are connected via Bluetooth instead of Wi-Fi. All physiological data is stored locally, truly protecting your privacy. The Snail Intelligent Pillow also has a sleep aid function. The built-in airbags combination achieves a massage sleep aid function. It can achieve a sleep aid effect by soothing and relaxing the neck muscles. The Snail Intelligent Pillow combined with the mobile app can also automatically adjust the height of the pillow in 3 levels, high, medium, and low according to the user's needs. By setting the alarm clock, the pillow can gently shake your head to wake you up at around the time you set, allowing you to face the new day in a full state. As a sleep pillow, the Snail Intelligent Pillow gives you a refreshing and comfortable sleeping experience. Breathable and refreshing ice silk pillowcase. The slow rebound memory pillow core can evenly disperse pressure and support the cervical spine without collapse. The S-shaped wavy shape fits the curvature of your neck perfectly. Snail Intelligent Pillow. Your personal sleep manager. Embrace sleep health.